Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. Through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategical compound return investing. So the objective is try to get 201 trades, each an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, we do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us for less than $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the rebound of quantum stocks. We're also going to be looking at ticker symbol LUNR, which has received a $4.2 billion NASA contract, so stay tuned for details of that. And then we're also going to be looking at MMTLP with new answers to important questions. So before we get started, let's have a look at what's happening in the market. So first of all, we can see here that US inflation was reported to be up from 2.7% to 2.9% in December. So on the face of it, this does not look like good news. However, in terms of the markets, they have responded positively, and one of the reasons for that is the potential deal in Gaza. And we can see here at close of market today, the US stocks have surged and the Dow is up by more than 700 points. So great news there for the market. So the inflation numbers, I think, were also taken into account and expected in terms of the market. So other news shared in the Discord is with ticker symbol URI, and we can see here Melius have raised this price target for URI, United Rentals, from $1,239 currently to a previous 1,278. So positive news there for URI. And go ahead and check out the previous video where we looked at ticker symbol CALM. When we covered this, it was trading around about the $103. So congratulations to everybody who got in on CALM from a previous video. Go ahead and check that out. Currently trading over $112. So you would have got a good 10% return there. And other news just shared live in the Discord is with regard to Powell Max, and this is from our live trading and alert section, currently up close to 100%. So keep an eye out on ticker symbol PMAX. Let's have a look at news shared live in the Discord with regard to quantum stocks and the rebound. And we can see here Rigetti Computing, one of the stocks covered on the channel previously, was up at 1.29%. D-Wave Quantum was also up 14%. But if we have a look at other stocks, QBTS was up 27%, QUBT up 20%, and one that we're going to look at shortly in terms of the chart is IONQ up 16%. And we can see here again in our Why Is It Moving channel in the Discord, we can see shares of quantum companies are trading higher after Microsoft issued a statement in terms of its business customers to get quantum ready, and Nvidia announced its first ever quantum day event. So keep an eye out there for quantum stocks. So if we have a look at the response for IONQ Incorporated, we can see this was up a staggering 35.92%, rebounding to $40.15. So if we have a look at the chart for this for the previous month, we can see there was an opportunity to get this as low as below $30, and at one point it was trading close to the $50. So a good rebound and good opportunity to get some profits on IONQ. Let's now have a look at ticker symbol LUNR, also known as Intuitive Machines. And news shared also live in the Discord today was news with regard to a NASA contract for $4.8 billion. And this was also covered in our live trading and data alert section. We can see here that Intuitive Machines has been mentioned as part of a $4.82 billion contract from NASA for near space network services and a contract award. So we have a look at the reaction to the chart. It was up close to 14%. Today at $19.18. So this is a stock that we have been covering for a while, and we can also see here the stock is gaining as 2025 is set to usher in a new era for lunar exploration. So hopefully great news there for lunar. And we can see for 2025 it's potentially here to be going to be a transformative year for the lunar exploration. And the European Space Agency ESA aims to deploy a neutron spectrometer to uncover valuable insights to lunar resources. Let's now look at MMTLP and new answers to some important questions from John Bird. And what he stated here is that these comments are based on my knowledge and I will speak for myself. So first of all, nobody has ever paid anybody a dime, and they have not paid any other people. So the only exception here is C-Plant, who is employed as a consultant by Nextbridge Hydrocarbons, and I'm not involved in Nextbridge Hydrocarbons business in any way. So I believe he may have been paid $20,000 a month. I'm not sure if that's still ongoing, and he states he's never paid anyone to post or pump on social media, and I'm assuming that's in the present and in the past. So he goes on to say the only things he is not at liberty to discuss are those addressed in the complaint, and there is a motion to dismiss that will be filed on the 17th of January 2025, and those close to him know that the motion to dismiss is not, if it's not ruled in the favour, then the playing field is levelled, and then he's going to get a subpoena, and this is going to be with regard to trying to get the people like FINRA, the SEC, DTCC, OCC, OTC markets, etc., broker dealers and other actors to be named on trial. So he's confident that he is preparing for the result in case it is needed, and overall he's still rooting for Scott's case. Scott has also chosen to go after Greg McCabe, and we know that this is an area that is quite divisive in terms of the MMTLP community, but I think as far as I'm concerned, the most important nefarious actors in this are the broker dealers, market makers, SEC and FINRA, and if we do get a result on there, I think that will certainly be the most positive. And finally, thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.